Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Pisces. Pisces people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Pisces, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. Three of Wands. Pisces, this is your current energy. Three of Wands. Are you waiting for something? Five of Pentacles. This is your partner's current energy. So I believe Pisces, some of you are going through some such time in your life that you want to hold your emotions, right? You are not being somebody who just want to take a decision in hustle bustle. You are taking your own time to move forward. Okay, with these three of wands, these wands are saying that you, even though you are eager to take decisions, even though you are eager to take action towards something, but still something is there which is stopping you. Okay, perhaps you want to make sure that whatever you are going through, or whatever the phase you are choosing in life, or whatever the opportunity you are choosing in life for your future, that thing should be solid. Okay, because you feel that okay, I cannot play around with my life anymore. I need something very concrete. All right. And for some of you Pisces, I feel that I think that you are waiting for someone, you are waiting for something, you are waiting for someone. Okay, it's like you are just standing on the edge of the cliff, and perhaps you are waiting for your person who must be somewhere there, far from you. Okay, I feel that Pisces, for most of you, I feel that this is the long distance relationship. Okay, so this is the current energy of Pisces. This is the current energy of your partner. We have Five of Pentacles. Your person is feeling dished, your person is feeling betrayed. Okay, their own people have made them felt in this way that they don't require them. Okay, I mean, they don't require this person at all in their life. Okay, so they are being somebody who is feeling heartbroken, who is feeling sad and depressed. Okay, and they are feeling that their own people have ditched them, their own people have cheated on them, and that's why they are just they have collected all, or they have gathered all their courage to move out from that place. And along with that, they have also carried their good and bad deeds along with them. All right, so this person is, even though this person is all feeling alone or feeling left, but their good karmas or their bad karmas are with them. Okay, so these are the current energies. Now let's see what is the current situation of this relationship. What is the current situation of this relationship for Pisces? Creativity. The current situation of this relationship is creativity. It seems like either you or this person, someone is trying to do something creative in this relationship. Okay, perhaps you want to do something for them, or perhaps they want to do something for you. Okay, and if none of you are doing anything for each other, then yes, something is going on beyond your expectations. Okay, divine is playing their own role. If you guys are not doing anything towards each other, if you guys are not doing anything towards each other, then divine is playing their role. Okay, and when the time will be come, and when the time will be right, everything will be unfold in front of your eyes. Okay, right now I feel that Pisces, it's you who's going with the flow right now. Okay, you are feeling that it's okay whether this person comes or not, or whether this person confronts his or her emotions or not. Right now I have to focus on my own, I have to focus on my growth, I have to focus what is there for me. But it seems like divine is doing their own job. Okay, perhaps you don't want to think about them, perhaps they don't want to think about you, but this relationship is something which you guys are not holding it. Okay, divine is doing its own work. All right, So I'm going to pick 3 cards. All right. Okay. Guidance, existence. Ooh, Thunderbolt. So this card shows what they think about you. This card shows what they do. Okay. And this card shows what are their future plans for you or for this relationship. So with this guidance card, they feel or they think about you as somebody who is very guided or blessed. Okay, angels are in your support. They see you as somebody who is very blessed in life in terms of love and relationship, in terms of family bonding, in terms of family emotion. Okay, and perhaps they also feel about you that you are someone who is always, you know, surrounded by your loved ones. Okay, people are there to support you, people are there to guide you, people are there to make you understand what is good for you and what is not good for you. Okay, so they see you as somebody who is always already or who is always surrounded by their loved ones. So in that sense they feel that you are someone who is very blessed. Now the second card says what they do. This existence card tells me that this person is looking for something beyond their imagination. This person is looking for, I think they are going through some kind of a spiritual journey. Okay, they are being somebody who wants to be with everyone but don't want to be with everyone. Okay, they are in their own journey. Okay, they just want to explore why and what is the reason of their existence. Okay, or perhaps if they are going through in if I talk about from business perspective, or if I talk about from this relationship perspective, I feel with this card, existence card, this person feels that what if I take a step ahead towards this person, towards my Pisces, how the things will take place. Okay, so it's not that if you guys are not talking to each other, if it is the case with you Pisces, then that's not the case that they are ignoring you. It is just that they are thinking about you. Okay, how they can enhance this relationship with you, how they can, you know, give their emotions to you. All right, and their future plan with this Thunderbolt card, I feel that in future when their current situation, or when this you know, this self exploration work will be done, they are definitely going to take some solid steps towards you with this Thunderbolt card. And yes, and I feel that very soon they are going to break their silence, very soon they are going to say something to you, very soon some action is going to take place from their side towards you. So you never know what action they are going to take towards you, but yes, uh, rest assured, because I told you in the beginning that this relationship is something which you are not handling. Okay, if you feel that I am the one who is you know, who has all the command in my hand of this relationship, I am the one who can take uh, decisions in this relationship, that's not the case, because it's neither you nor them. It's this relationship is handling by God itself. Okay, so yes. All right. Okay, so I feel that some of you could be dealing with the fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. In this reading we have fire sign, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, earth sign in this reading with this 5 of Pentacles card. And along with that we have another earth sign, Taurus. Wait, what did I say? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, earth sign. Okay, and another earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with this guidance card. All right, So Pisces, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.